Now to the controversy surrounding the historic Supreme Court decision to strike down Roe v. Wade. New legal battles are being fought in several states, and some pharmacy chains are now limiting sales of emergency contraceptives because of surging demand. ABC's Justin Finch has the very latest.
New fallout from the Supreme Court decision to overturn Roe v. Wade as the sudden change in healthcare becomes the focus of legal battles across the country.
My body, my choice.
More than a dozen states had so-called trigger laws in place to immediately ban or limit abortion when Roe was overturned. Now, judges in 2 of those states, Utah and Louisiana, have temporarily blocked the trigger law from taking effect, saying the states are unprepared for such a significant change. The judges granted temporary restraining orders requested by abortion rights activists, allowing more time for the courts to hear challenges.
We will get care to patients and get patients to care. We have to fight state by state now in order to make sure that people can get that.
In California, where abortion remains legal, voters will decide the issue this fall, placing the right to an abortion on the ballot in November. Meanwhile, the White House is downplaying calls to build abortion clinics on federal land. Vice President Kamala Harris telling CNN the administration is not discussing the idea.
I think that what is most important right now is that we ensure that the restrictions that the states are trying to put up that would prohibit a woman from exercising what we still maintain is her right, that we do everything we can to empower women to not only seek but to receive the care where it is available.
And now pharmacies nationwide are placing limits on the emergency contraceptive known as Plan B. The over-the-counter drug is different than the abortion pill prescribed by doctors. CVS, Walmart, and Rite Aid are capping the number of Plan B pills a customer can buy as demand surges in the wake of the Supreme Court's ruling. When it comes to the restrictions on abortion, even though trigger laws in 2 states are on pause, 7 others are now enforcing bans with few exceptions, and 18 others are expected to follow. Justin Finch, ABC News, Washington.
Well, here in Virginia, abortion is still legal, but the ripple effects from the ruling are impacting some of our neighboring states, causing places like Planned Parenthood here in Virginia to prepare for those out-of-state patients.